Hey, what's up? Welcome back on Tech Brothers YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about new budget smartphone from DOOGEE company, which is called DOOGEE Y8. Some days ago we reviewed DOOGEE Y7 Plus, but the new smartphone has completely different design and specifications. The price of DOOGEE Y8 is only $79. Before we start the first review of this phone, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. First, I want to say that DOOGEE Y8 comes in a similar box as DOOGEE Y7 Plus. There is the same image on the front side. However, budget smartphone received new design. Now it has Waterdrop notch above the display instead of big notch in Y7 Plus model. From the other side, it still has thick bezels, and there is company logo at the bottom of the screen instead of front fingerprint reader. On the rear panel you can see dual camera, flashlight and fingerprint scanner. As for the display, it has diagonal of 6.1 inches and HD Plus resolution, 600 by 1280 pixels and 19 by 9 aspect ratio. The screen has a very good brightness, 400 nit. DOOGEE Y8 is a budget smartphone, so it has entry-level hardware. It is powered by MediaTek MT6739 chipset with maximum clock speed of 1.5 GHz. Also, there is 3 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal memory with microSD support. The smartphone scores about 50,000 points in Antutu. This is not very much, but still good for budget phone. The feature of DOOGEE Y8 is the latest Android 8.9 Pie out of the box. Also, it supports face unlock function. The phone has very strange cameras. There is dual rear camera with 8MP main sensor and 5MP secondary sensor for bokeh effect. The front camera has 5MP sensor with wide angle. DOOGEE Y8 hasn't go on sale yet, so we don't have real sample photos. However, I don't expect high-quality images from a budget smartphone. Although, who knows? New phone has 3400 mAh battery. Considering the entry-level chipset and HD Plus display, the battery life should be okay. The manufacturer promises 19 hours of calling and 240 hours of standby time. DOOGEE Y8 looks like a very interesting budget smartphone. For only $80, it offers modern design with Waterdrop notch, good display and battery. Of course, this phone is not for gaming, but it can be good option for everyday tasks such as calling, social media, simple games. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in this phone, I will leave the link in description where to buy it. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.